My name is Dr. Muhammad Tlais and this is the second video on how to develop Gmail add-ons. In this video, we will talk about the Compose user interface add-on, and we also will consider creating a new card for the add-on. So in our previous video, I showed you how to create an add-on for the message user interface. In addition to the message user interface, a Gmail add-on can define an interactive, customized, compose time user interface that can assist the user when they are composing or replying to messages. This is an example of an icon for a compose user interface add-on. All what we have to do in order to make our Hello World application, our Hello World add-on as a Compose user interface add-on, Compose UI add-on, all we have to do is to add the Compose trigger parameter into the list of parameters for the Gmail key in our JSON file. We must create inside Compose trigger a select action parameter, a minimal to input for select actions are the text and the run function. We set the text to be my hello world and the run function to be compose a message underscore a underscore message. This function will run when I click on the icon. If you deploy the add-on now and go to your Gmail application and refresh the page, then click on Compose, you will see the Hello World icon in your Compose message. If you click on the icon, it will ask you for authorization to access the add-on. Click on Authorize Access and follow the steps in the dialog. After authorization, the Hello World add-on is ready again, but this time the error message is telling us that Compose a message function does not exist. Next, we are going to create this function in the code.js file. In code.js file, we created a function called compose underscore a underscore message. If I deploy the add-on now and click on its icon, a white screen will flash and disappear quickly. Our function is empty and does nothing. Let me now add a card to my add-on. So what are cards? What is enough to know for now is that Gmail add-ons are card-based, while editor add-ons are HTML-based. Card-based add-ons are add-ons that use the AppScript card service to create user interfaces. A card contains a header and one or more sections. Each section contains one or more widgets. Widgets provide the user with information or interactive control. Cards and card sections are structural widgets, so you cannot add those to a card section. Enough talking about card, let us build our first card. In the code.js, we build our card using the cardService.newCardBuilder function or method. If you deploy the add-on at this point, you will get an error message that markup elements are missing. So we proceed by adding a header using the setHeader function. In that header, we use again the card service to create a new card header, and we set its title to be Hello Card. Next, we add one section to our card using the new card section function from the card service, and we add two widgets to this section. The first widget is a text paragraph. We set the text to be Hello Widget. The next widget is an image. We set the image URL to the same image we use for icon. A card must be built before it is returned by using the build function. The card must be returned inside brackets, otherwise we will get an error stating that it cannot return a card markup from the callback function of a universal action. If you deploy the application now and click on the icon on the Hello World icon, you will get your first card, Hello Card, and Hello Widget, and the image inside the section. Congratulations on building your first card, and see you at the next module.